Hey everybody, this is our 86 C10 short wide, 350 overdrive transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, ice cold air, all new paint, all new trim, all new interior, spray and bed liner, gorgeous truck. Restored the GM original door panels, put new blanks in, the power windows and locks work. Windows roll up and down really easily. All the trim's really nice, got a brand new rear bumper on it. Really nice. Tailgate stainless, beautiful paint. It's got a 2.4 drop. Sprayed bed liner is just on the bottom. It's painted nicely on the sides and on the tailgate. It's got a drop-in fuel cell. So he took the gas lid off the Suburban and put it in there. It's pretty cool, works good. Really nicely detailed truck. Runs and drives excellent. Looks beautiful. It's solid. Brand new dash pad, new carpet, new seat cover, new headliner, original door panels that have been restored. Nice paint in the jambs. Put all the chrome and the new seals around the windows. All new trim here. New emblems. New rings, center caps, brand new BF Goodrich Radial brand new Cooper Cobra Radial GTs. Push guards on the front. 350's later model 350 that's been rebuilt, gone through. AC works well, heater works well, windshield wipers, all of that work well. Absolutely beautiful truck. Got great reflection and shine. Again, new weather strip and new chrome on it.